Hi guys, welcome to UNIHERTZ info channel. Today I have Tank 3 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application, where we must tap on the three dots on the right corner, where now settings, and there password manager. As you can see, there we can manage our Google password to our Messenger account. To do that, we press there and we must enter look screen to connect to that, and there after we press this first icon we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or where we press this size icon our smartphone show us password which remember. We can also edit all by tap on edit, and there we can add something, delete, and the same story with passwords. You can also add note to that, and after you add all you need or change, we press save and we have it there. To delete all our smartphone remember, we press delete and confirm by delete, and now we don't have any saved passwords. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!